super easy and super quick way to make money only using your smartphone. That's what I'll be showing you in today's video, coming right up. What's good, YouTube? My name is Tay, and welcome back to the channel. I make weekly videos on entrepreneurship and other money-making opportunities online. Before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay up to date and never miss an opportunity for you to make money online. Okay, so today I want to cover how you can make money with affiliate marketing just using your smartphone. This is super easy and this is super simple. First, go to your smartphone app store. It doesn't matter whether you have Android or iOS, what you'll be using today is on both platforms. Next, look for the apps Ibotta, Rakuten, and Dash. Now, if you aren't familiar with these apps, they are cashback apps. Normally, I do an individual overview and preview of each app, but I keep it simple as they are all similar and we're not going to be focusing too much on the apps themselves. The thing about these cashback apps is that they all come with affiliate links that you can send out to others. When they use your link to download the app and start buying products, you earn a commission. That's right, when they spend money, you earn. Now, usually with these apps, they will allow you to share the link straight out from the app with some generic text that usually sounds something like, "Hey, I just saved X amount using insert app, and so can you," followed by the affiliate link. Don't use this. There's thousands of other people sharing this link doing the same exact thing, and quite frankly, it just looks spammy. The way you're going to make this work is by actually sharing your savings across different social media platforms, including YouTube. There are a few ways you can do this. First is by providing screenshots of what the app screen looks like when you are reimbursed for your spending. The next way is to make videos of you going through the process of buying stuff from the store, then scanning the receipt and getting your cash back that way. You can take the screenshots and videos you created and post them to different social media sites. You'll want to do this a couple times a day. I would say no more than 3. Make sure your captions are a little more organic than, "Hey, I just saved, and so can you." Once you have your caption, make sure you add your affiliate link after that. After you have your caption and your link, make sure you use the right tags, hashtags, and keywords with your post so that you can really home in on the people who are looking to save some cash when they're out shopping. So, that's all you really have to do. And again, all you need is your smartphone. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Just something super quick and super easy for you to implement and take action on today. If you found this video useful, then do me a favor and hit that like button, and also share this out to anybody who you think will need this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Guys, links will be down in the description box below for the apps mentioned today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.